Let us do one more problem. A cheetah has spotted a gazelle. The cheetah leaps into action, reaching its top speed of 30 meters per second in few seconds. At this instant, the gazelle, 160 meters from the running cheetah, notices the danger and heads directly away. The gazelle accelerates at 4.5 meters per second square for 6 seconds, then continues running at a constant speed. After reaching its maximum speed, the cheetah can continue running for only 15 seconds. Does the cheetah catch the gazelle or does the gazelle escape? Okay, this is the question. Now we have to solve the problem. How to solve this problem? Here, the time is 15 seconds. Okay, in 15 seconds, how much distance the cheetah travels and how much distance the gazelle travels, that we have to find out. Okay, distance traveled by the gazelle is equal to dg, and then distance traveled by cheetah. Okay, now what we have to find out, suppose if dg is greater than dch, that means the distance traveled by gazelle is greater than the distance traveled by cheetah, then it will escape. And one more thing you have to know, that the distance between these two, cheetah and gazelle, is 160 meters. Okay, 160 meters. So now let us find out the distance traveled by the cheetah. So distance traveled by cheetah is equal to Vt. That is equal to how much, what is the speed? 30 meters per second. How much time? 15 seconds. That gives 450 meters. This is the distance traveled by the cheetah. Okay. Now coming to the gazelle. Gazelle accelerates for 6 seconds. Okay. Acceleration is equal to 4.5 meters per second square, and then time is equal to 6 seconds. Okay. So of the 15 seconds, 6 seconds it is accelerating. Remaining time it will be traveling with a constant velocity. So how much time it is traveling with constant velocity? 15 minus 6 is equal to 9 seconds. Gazelle travels with constant velocity. We have to find out the velocity at this time, and then we have to calculate the distance traveled by the gazelle with this acceleration in 6 seconds. Okay, now that I will find out. Distance traveled by the gazelle in 6 seconds is equal to d is equal to VIT plus half AT square. Okay, here VI is equal to 0 and the rest of the data is given here. Therefore, d is equal to 0 plus half into acceleration is 4.5 meters per second square, and then time is 6 seconds. So this will give us d is equal to half into 4.5 into 6 square is 36. So this gives 81 meters. Okay. Now we have to find out the velocity. V final is equal to VA plus AT. And then we know VA is equal to 0 plus A is equal to 4.5 meters per second square. And then time is equal to 6 seconds. Okay, so VF is equal to 4.5 into 6 is equal to 27 meters per second. Now we have to find out distance traveled by the gazelle with a 27 meters per second. So distance is equal to Vt, that is equal to 27 meters per second times 9 seconds. So that gives, what is the value? 27 into 9 is equal to 243 meters. So total distance is equal to traveled by the Gazelle. (243) plus 81 gives, what is the value? 324 meters. Okay, and then there is already 160 meters, the distance is there. So 160 plus 324 is equal to how much? 484. But the Cheetah travels only 450 meters. The distance is 484 meters. So 484 meters is greater than 450 meters. So the Gazelle easily escapes. Okay, this is the answer for this question. Hope this helps. Thank you. Bye bye.